to broadcast using direct Excel upload. Go to our panel and click broadcast, and then click add broadcast. It's a 3-step process. In the first step, you just enter the broadcast name, date and the time like this. And then in the second step, this is where you will be able to choose the Excel as a data source. So click import, select the file you want to import, and here is where is the important critical step, right? So we will read the first row in the Excel and treat that as a header. So you have to rightly align the columns accordingly, right? So you have to tell us which column should be treated as phone number and which column should be treated as customer name, right? So select this and click save. We will inspect the Excel and get the data out. So we will tell you how many rows are being considered, and then as a third step, you select the template you want to send. Here you can add Excel data as a variable like this. Click insert variable from Excel. You can select the variables like this, and you can also add additional data like this, right? Once you fill up other options, just click confirm. The broadcast will be scheduled as per the expected time, and you will be able to send the broadcast instant like this, right? So it is scheduled and you will be able to send it once the time comes up. So thank you.